Very happy to be participating in the MOU signing of a prestigious aviation edu-city in the state of Andhra Pradesh near Visakhapatnam. It has been graced by Honorable Governor of Goa, Ashok Gajapati Raju Garu, and our young leader and Minister of IT and Education from Government of Andhra Pradesh, Lokesh Anna Garu. And the whole idea behind this edu-city is to take the opportunity of the growth of aviation in the country and to create an ecosystem where the younger generation can train themselves in the field of aviation. There is a huge scope in aviation. We are seeing that it is a continuously growing sector. For the last 10 years, under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we have become the third biggest aviation market. We have become the third biggest aviation market in the world, domestic aviation market. Now taking it ahead, the demand that is going to be created in the future in various courses, right from planing, crew, maintenance engineers, and the ground handling, fire safety, and other courses that are there. If there is a vision that we want to be with the global standards, bring in all the universities across the world from the best countries, best universities, and create a platform for all of them all together to create an aviation training, learning, skilling academy ecosystem. And this has been the vision of our Chief Minister also, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, who always thinks for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years down the road. So all of this together, we are planning this to be one of the best in the country, and with global standards. So we'd like to especially thank Mansas Trust under the chairmanship of Ashok Gajapati Raju Garu for donating 136 acres of land for this project, and GMR Group for bringing in the expertise in aviation. We have already seen they are managing multiple airports in the country and also doing a lot of activity around the MRO sector also. So their presence will create a lot of fulcrum for us to bring in all these experts from across the world. And our vision is to train our local youth, train the young people of Andhra Pradesh and the country with the global standards, because we see that there is going to be a huge demand that is going to be created. And our vision in the long run is to have people from outside the country also come and train here. So this is a project with international standards in the vision. So definitely we are going to move in that direction. Today MOU has been signed, and I would like to thank everyone who is supporting this idea. And from the Government of India also, we will be continuously guiding them, facilitating them with whatever needs they have.